How to add music to your video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do, go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now choose your video from here if you have a draft, or you can upload new video from here. Now after you go to the video right here, on this page you can edit it. And if you want to add the music, all what you have to do is simple. Go down here and click on the audio option. Now click on sounds. Now it will take you to this page. Now as you can see, you can search for songs or singers, and you can choose the music by clicking on it, and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.